Hi, Mark.
Hi, Evan.
Welcome to SRYLED again.
Thank you.
Okay, wait. Can I ask you some questions?
Absolutely.
Okay. Question one. So why you will choose us SRYLED?
I came in 2023 to China for the first time, and I was looking for LED products, LED displays, and I visited many other factories that create LED solutions. However, I picked SRY because of the quality of the products and also the quality of the after sales support. Those were two very important things for me. And that's the main reasons why I decided to go with SRY.
Okay, that's good. And question two.
Yeah.
You have placed many orders since now, and compare with other suppliers. What do you think SRY already does well?
There are a few things that SRY does very well. Like I mentioned, the quality of the products. So since um, since I last visited in 2023, we've placed orders for two major projects, and those projects were successfully implemented with the support of SRY engineers. Um, and I think some of the things that were key was the support, both technical and non-technical in nature that we received from SRY. And also, again, the quality of the displays are very good. Um, so those are the things I think SRY did very well for those orders that I placed.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And question three. So, what else do you think we can improve in the future?
In the future, I think maybe accessibility of the hours of support for North American clients, because it is a very big time difference. So that is one thing. Also, the accessibility of if service is required, maybe having somewhere available in North America for those clients to get service. But other than that, I think, so far we haven't had any major issues, and we're more than satisfied with the product, the quality, and like I said, the after sales support that we receive from SRY. And I look forward to doing more with SRY as we move on to other projects.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.